Hi, good day to everyone. My name is Jim, founder of JT Techtronics in Berhad. We are the LED display design manufacturer house. In front of us, this is a 4-digit production counter display panels. Where you can see, it comes with a controller, and the display, and the cable. So, the width of the display is 370 mm, and the height of the display is 210 mm. Of course, the character height is 110 mm. Let's start our demonstration today. This production counter display, which is a bit special. Let's plug in. The specialty of the production counter is we connect twice, then only will trigger one. So for example, this is the connect to the NPN sensor. When you trigger once, twice, it only increase 1. 1, 2, increase 1. 1, 2, increase 1. This is how it looks like. So this is the reset button. Press and reset. And this also can connect to the any button. If you like my video, please help us to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.